Hello everybody, welcome back to the Falcon RC channel. Today I'm going to let my brother drive his Slash 4x4 on with my 3S LiPo. They're kind of not going to let us do the video, is he? First video on the channel, we put this Hobbywing system into it. And it is a 2 to 4S capable ESC with a 3S capable motor. So he only had a 2S, but I have my 3S for my Haas. So the hobby shop only had this battery here, which is a 2832X from Traxxas. This one is 35C and 29 millimeters tall. The one that you're supposed to get is 50C maximum burst and 25 millimeters tall. So this one wouldn't fit with the stock battery strap. So we had to unscrew this so it'll fit. I want to advise doing this if you're going to run it on 3S. Normally you should get, if you get a battery this size or even bigger, I think you can get a battery strap that's like 40 millimeters. But if you're going to get a battery this size or bigger, get the extra battery, the larger battery straps for the Slash 4x4 because this is not going to be very secure for the battery. No jumping though, because the battery isn't as secure as it should be. Just for the sake of testing, it'll work for now. The cat is now on my shoulder. I don't think there's any way to show you, but he's now on my shoulder. Let's bring it outside so you can show it driving. Okay, forward, plug it in. There, yes. Gonna try to do a wheelie. Not really. So, it is like 11 degrees outside, so this video isn't gonna be super long. So let's just bring it to the ditch really quick and show it off. No jumping though, because the battery isn't as secure as it should be. Do a speed run on the road, there aren't any cars coming. I said no jumping! Well, first crash on 3S for this Slash. But okay, let's go take it back up onto the road, like around here, and then throttle up slowly. Okay, no cars, 3S speed run.
It did a wheelie though. Did you see that?
No, it didn't. Do it again. Wheel, no! The wheel's gone! It keeps happening! So we got the wheel back on. What happens is there's no thread locker left on the axle. So that keeps happening, so we need to put more thread locker on it. But currently we're going to do a quick speed run across the yard, and I'll try to take some footage from the first video we did with the Slash on this system and compare the speed on 2S. Let her rip. Wheelie.
Airplane.
This thing rips now. You almost took yourself out. It just lifts up because of the body. That is one thing with the Slash 4x4 is the body really likes to lift, like air really likes to get under the body and lift it up. I'm also gonna mention that this is on the 14 tooth. Is it stuck?
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
I am also going to mention that this is on the 14 tooth Pinion. If Ford was going to get 3S LiPo for his, he would gear it down to like 11 or 12 tooth Pinion just so that it's not over geared. We're gonna do a quick temperature check. I mean, it is 11 degrees out right now, so it's not really, there's probably no danger of electronics overheating, but just to see what it's at. Yeah, the motor's at like 40 degrees maximum. There's no danger these stuff overheating. This is almost at freezing temperature. Back into the bushes again, and it's stuck. Good job.
Nailed
Nah,
it.
just save it.
It actually looks balls rear tires.
Yeah, the rear tires are quite balding on this. Ford is planning to get BF Goodrich tires, some tractors for it. Which is the tires that come on the stock over for Ultimate. Turtled. So that is just a quick video showing the Hobbywing / 4x4 on 3S. Ford is going to eventually get a 3S of his own, and then he'll do a second video then once he gets that. But if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing, because this is a brand new channel and it would really help a lot. And you have anything you want to say, Ford?
It's awesome.
Okay, well, until next time, goodbye.